next, let's talk about photos. Now for photos, there are lots of photos that you can add from Canva. And if you want to upload a photo of yours, you have a photo on your device, you want to add to it, you can do that too. So all you need to do is just go to uploads, pick up a previous images that you uploaded before, or you upload the file from your laptop, your design. Just pick out one thing, you can add that to your design, pick it up, and once you click on it, you have them ready to use. Click on it and then you can add it to your design. That is as simple as that. You can adjust this whichever way you want to do now by just adding them to your design. So but this one talks about already uploaded photos that you can work with, but for now I'm just going to work with the photos that are available on Canva. Let's go back to the photos. You can search for photos here. Let's try out fashion photos, for example. Just click on fashion. You have different photos you can try out. Let's pick this and let's see how that works. Now this photo, you can do a number of things with it. You can decide to adjust it, you can crop it if you want to. You can make this particular photo, you can make it the background just by right clicking and set an image as background. So this can become the background of your design. You can decide to crop it. What is the background? Just go to edit image, click on this, and you get the opportunity to be able to crop this particular image. You can adjust it to suit your idea. So this works. Now you can add other pictures to it. Grab pictures that you feel like adding to your design. You can add it to it. This one, for example, pick up this picture. If you have things you can do, you can decide to edit this. Now you have options of effects. You can remove the background with the background remover. You can erase some part of it. All of this you can explore. You can check out the filters, different filters that you can work with. Just check them out and you can explore them and see whichever one works out for you. So let's go back to what it was before. You have different effects. You can add shadows to it. You can add a blur image. There are apps you can explore, but this particular class is not for that. I'm just going to work on the background remover so you can see what you can do with this. So for the background remover, allows you to remove the background just like that. You have the background remover. Now this may not be possible if you don't have the pro version, but if you have another options of removing your background, you can do that and bring it or import it to your Canva page. So we have this one. You can adjust it in your design and put it as you deem it fit in your design. Now something that I'm going to show you when it comes to photos is you can use frames to place photos in your design. So just come down to where you have frames and pick up any frame that you want. There are different options of frames that you can add to it. Let's pick out this particular photo frame. Now you can adjust this, bring it to your design, and bring in any kind of picture, any kind of images to your design. We're working with fashion images for now, so let's just check out other images on fashion. Go to photos and check images, search for fashion images again. You can decide to add them to your design. So this is possible. So with this, you've added the design, you can edit it and crop this particular one, making it more visible in your frame. So that's it. Just click done. Now you can decide to add more of it by duplicating it. You can adjust the sizes by clicking them and moving them together. You can decide to change this one. There are other options for you by moving this image just over the frame. I can change the content of the frame. Just go again, edit it, crop it. You can adjust the content of the frame just like that. So you have this. So these are things that you can do with your design. You can use the images, you can use the frames to add up images to your picture. You can decide to add extra text to it if you want to, but this is for images. You can include text, like I mentioned the other time. If you want to add a text format to or combination, you can decide to do that. You can just say if you have fashion, you can put up something a bit more interesting. Maybe a script type of font can be added to this. Just put in something that looks a bit more expressive or interesting, and then you're good to go. You can place it anywhere in your design, you know. So something you can explore. So now this is for pictures. Let's try out other things. You can go to another page. Now apart from frames, something else you could do with pictures that you can add photo grids. If you're looking to add lots of pictures to your design, instead of using a single frame, you can decide to add photo grids, something like this. So by clicking on this photo grid allows you to add different pictures to your design. So this photo grid adds about 3 options for me. I can decide to add lots of pictures to this. So go back to where you have your pictures. You can add as many pictures as the grids allow you to. So let's go back to this place. Maybe search a different type of photograph to add to our design. Let's check out tech photos. So just look at them. You can add them to your design. Just click them and just drag them over all of them. So that's what you use your grid for. You can use add different images to you. So with the frames and the grid allows you to add images. Hello, I believe you are enjoying this video. If you are, take a few seconds to click the subscribe button. Thank you. Now let's get back to the video. Apart from images, you can add up videos too. This is important if you're trying to create a video with CANVA, so you can check out different videos right here. Just click on the videos. You have different videos that you can add to your design. So just click on any one of them. You can search for videos. If you have ideas of videos in your mind, just click on them and you can add them to your design. So this is a video that I've just added to the design. You can adjust how you want the video to be. You can adjust the length of the video if you want to do that. I'll be going into detail here because this particular class is not for videos, just to show you some of the elements. Now apart from bringing the video into your design, you can also use frames too to place videos in your design. So if I click up a frame, this for example, now this video can be added to this frame the same way a picture can be added to a frame, a video can be added to a frame too. So the same way you can have this for your frame. So that is possible. You can decide to change the background to anything that suits your idea. So we have that. To work the same way, you can edit it. You can decide to crop it and adjust the way you want this video to look like inside the frame. So explore all of that for your videos. Now if you want to make a video, you can add an audio too. Apart from a video, most of these videos don't have sound. For if you want to have add a sound to it, an audio to it, there are audios that are available on CANVA that you can explore. You just pick any of them, and add them to your video. And if there are audios that you want to upload, you can also upload audios, not just pictures. You can also upload images, you can upload videos, you can upload audios. All of these are possible. Do you understand? Let's go back to the design. Now we have videos. Talk about videos. If you have things that you can add to you can check out, you can explore. Apart from the ones I've mentioned, there are lots. You have mockups. Yeah, if you're looking to add an image or a logo, something that you've done before, to a mockup, you can decide to pick any of them. Let's look at this one for example. This is a mockup of a laptop. I can decide to add something to this just by going to my up logos or elements. I can decide to add something to it. Let me go back to images. Let me pick this one for example. Just drag it over the mockup. I'm gonna have it visible on the mockup, so you can try that out. So we talk about mockups too. You have different mockups you can work around to, from print, apparel, computers, frames. Work on any of them. and use whichever one fits you. This is just a collection of different graphics and stickers that you can use. We've talked about graphics the other time. Just pick out any graphic that suits your design or suits your ideas and add them to your design. Now, apart from that, you have other things you can decide to add. There are charts you can add to your design if you're looking to make an illustration, an infographic, anything. There are charts you can add to your design: bar chart, pie chart, line chart, and this chart can be edited. You can add different features to them. You can import features from your Google Sheet and add them to your chart, and you'll be able to illustrate your ideas as plainly and as clearly as possible. So, I mean, this feature makes it possible for you to translate whatever work you've done in your Google Sheet to Canva and edit them. So this is possible. You can change the colors. If you want to, you can adjust all the parts of the chart. So apart from charts, you can look at um, tables. You can add tables too from charts. I just click on the options for tables and just add them to your design. You can adjust them to whichever way. You can adjust the colors for the table, the size, dimensions. You can decide to add more rows and more columns just by clicking a few things. You can add more columns, you can add more rows to it. You can add columns, you can add rows, you can add extra elements to this table if you want to. Just explore all of this, and you have them. You can change the colors, whichever way suits you. You can decide to do that for all of them. You can input data by just bringing on a text and just adding it to the table. All of these things are possible. So all of these are possible. You can adjust as much as you want to adjust. Adjust as much as you would like to adjust. For depending on whatever ideas you have in your mind, you can try all of that for this. So I won't be going into detail for this because that's not what this particular tutorial is for. Just to show you the element and how you can just use some of them. And I think this is most of the elements that are available that you've been shown. Just a few more things. We talked about the pictures, the tables, the charts. These are the common elements that you would have to use when it comes to designing on Canva. Talk about how to upload photos or videos, audios from your own computer device and upload them to your Canva to work with. There are other things that you're allowed to work with. Let's look at the draw. You can decide to draw things up by using the draw option. Just scribble up wherever it is that you feel like you want to scribble. Adjust it. You can erase it. These are things that you can explore on Canva. You can work on anything, basically. Change the colors, highlight them, pick them, edit them. All of these are possible, on Canva. Now, the other things you can also explore. There are different apps that have been added over to Canva that you can explore. You can just check them out. Apps that allow you to add charts, photos, create in bulk, add logos or background. You can add videos. You can edit mockups, add a QR code to your design. Different apps that you can integrate into your design. But the ones that are very important for you to start your journey are the ones that I've highlighted to you. So just check them out and begin to experiment with this as you start up your design journey. Thank you very much for joining this particular class. Looking forward to seeing you in the next tutorial.